Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. Of course, I want to give you guys a little update what is exactly happening right now with, of course, Bitcoin and crypto. And there is in fact a fair few things happening right now with Bitcoin, some very bullish things that I do in fact want to share with you guys. And we know guys, okay, right now is the most crucial time to buy as much Bitcoin as you possibly can because a massive bull run is coming. Okay, I've been telling you guys that many times, and I'm pretty sure you guys all already know this. Okay, that a massive bull run is coming for Bitcoin and altcoins. We know alt season is obviously right around the corner, so obviously, right, altcoins. Okay, majority of these altcoins in the crypto market will absolutely skyrocket. So I really want to, I really want you guys to prepare yourselves for what is actually coming for Bitcoin and crypto overall, right? Because everything's gonna pump. Understand that, right? These prices will absolutely skyrocket. Okay, but yes, Bitcoin. Okay, that's what we are in fact mainly going to be talking about. So Bitcoin right now, guys, you guys can just clearly see 62,700. So Bitcoin today is actually looking a bit more better than where it was yesterday. So we are in fact in the 1 hour time frame, and you guys can just clearly see for the past few hours, especially today, Bitcoin is in fact pumping back up to the upside. At one point, it was in fact above $63,000. Okay, 63,400. So it is in fact having a slight drop just below $63,000 right now. Okay, $62,700, but it's still holding very strong. So yes, Bitcoin is now back above over 62K. So that's absolutely amazing to see, right? Yes, just clearly see for the past 24 hours, Bitcoin is in fact up over 2%. Ethereum still, okay, not really moving, right? But it is in fact up 0.80%. And other altcoins are in fact moving today, okay? A fair few altcoins are in fact moving. Look at Solana today, okay, 6%, right? Toncoin, right, 12%, right? Absolutely amazing. And a fair few altcoins are in fact pumping as well for the past 24 hours. So today is looking a bit more better than yesterday. Okay, yesterday we didn't really see much movements for the crypto market. As you can clearly see, the market today is up 1.9%. Okay, the global crypto market cap is now sitting at 2.32 trillion. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you guys right now. Okay, what's actually happening with Bitcoin? And this is pretty bullish, right? So it says here, okay, EU Securities Authority is exploring adding Bitcoin and crypto exposure to the 12 trillion investment market. Okay, EU is gearing up. Okay, so this is obviously, very bullish, guys. Okay, and I really do believe, okay, I've been kind of telling you guys this many times, that the next upcoming bull run is going to be so much more different compared to all these other Bitcoin bull runs that we have in fact been seeing for Bitcoin. This one that's coming up is going to be completely different, right? New money is flowing into Bitcoin, guys. I understand that, right? So that's why I've been telling guys many times, okay, Bitcoin's going to absolutely skyrocket. The Bitcoin price, it's going to go crazy. Trust me, guys. In the next upcoming few months, we're going to easily see Bitcoin at 100K at least, right? And then, of course, throughout next year, 2025, it's going to go way higher. Okay, I want to talk about that a bit more as well, because there is, in fact, a Bitcoin chart that I want to show you guys, okay, where Bitcoin's next cycle top could possibly be, right? But yeah, this is very bullish, okay? But yes, guys, the Bitcoin halving event. Okay, we know recently, okay, we just had the Bitcoin halving event, okay, a couple weeks ago, right? So a couple weeks ago, okay, around, I think it was April 20th, okay, so it's coming up to a month now, but a few weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago, yes, we had, the Bitcoin halving event, and now we know the next Bitcoin halving event is going to happen in the year 2028, because it's a 4-year cycle, right? Every 4 years, we have a Bitcoin halving event, and we are pretty much 1% away from getting to the next halving event, guys. Okay, so 99% more. Okay, so we just gotta wait, right? We just gotta wait for the next halving event. That's gonna happen in 2028. So that obviously that's gonna be our 5th halving, right? So yeah, that's that. But yeah, Bitcoin is ready to prepare to go back up to its recent all-time highs. I've been telling you guys many times that I really do believe, okay, that Bitcoin is in fact, okay, going to reclaim back up, okay, to its recent all-time highs, okay, of pretty much 73,800, almost up to 74k, right? So I really do believe, potentially in the next couple of weeks, we will see Bitcoin, pumping back up to its recent all-time highs of $73,000. But yeah, 72k, as what Mags is showing us here from this Bitcoin chart, is very, very possible. Okay, that's if Bitcoin obviously, right, holds its support, right, the support level. Obviously, if it breaks down the support level, then Bitcoin's obviously going to drop further down to the downside. And if it does, I really don't mind, okay, because that way we can buy more Bitcoin at a cheaper price, right? Because we know where Bitcoin is heading in the next, couple of months, right? So that's that. But yes, also it says here, and this is pretty interesting as well, Bitcoin is repeating the same price action like back in 2017, okay, when it was hitting the previous all-time highs of $1,200 levels, okay? So in this macro comparison, Bitcoin is almost due date to make new highs again. Okay, so it's very, very similar, just like what we saw back in pretty much 2017. That is what's happening right now with Bitcoin currently, right, in 2024. You guys can clearly see it's pretty similar. And we know, guys, Bitcoin likes to repeat itself, right? It likes to, make the same moves like what it did in previous bull cycles, right? Bull markets. And that is exactly what is looking like it's happening right now for Bitcoin, for where we are at right now, just like what it did in 2017, right? So this is obviously pretty bullish, right? So get ready, guys, because a massive bull run is coming for Bitcoin, okay? But yes, Bitcoin, we've had a lot of fake outs. We have seen this many, many times, okay? When we are in fact in an uptrend for Bitcoin, obviously ever since early 2023, right? January 2023 to where we are right now, we have multiple fake outs for Bitcoin, and you guys can just clearly see this uptrend, right? This beautiful uptrend has not stopped, okay? And it's going to go way higher. I really do believe this uptrend is going to go higher and higher and higher and higher and higher, right? We have seen many fake outs before, right? So is this the next leg up? We will see, but most likely yes, okay? Because I really do believe this is in fact pretty much another fake out, and we're going to see another leg up, right? Just like what we have in fact been seeing for the past few months, and of course last year throughout 2023, right? You guys can just clearly see that. So that's that, guys, okay? So be patient, buy more, okay? And most importantly, hold. But yes, this is what I really wanted to show you guys, like, hey, Bitcoin's next cycle top prediction. Now, if you guys have in fact been watching my videos, I've been telling you guys this many, many times that sometime next year, 2025, we're going to see Bitcoin at least at $200,000 to even $300,000. I think these high price targets are very possible for Bitcoin to reach, to hit, in the next upcoming bull market. But it says here about a ton of crypto, right? Bitcoin cycle top prediction, $108,000. I think it's going to go way higher than $108,000. I really do believe, okay, we're going to see a 100k Bitcoin towards the end of this year in 2024, like I've been telling you guys many, many times. And I'm pretty sure you guys can agree with me on that one, right? And then next year, 2025, I think it's going to go way higher than $108,000. Like, let's be honest here, right? It's going to go way higher. Okay, it's going to go to at least 150 to 180 to even 200k to even over 200k and potentially 300k. I think it's very, very possible for Bitcoin to reach these price levels in the next upcoming bull market, right? So I think it's going to be way higher than $108,000. We're going to see this price potentially towards the end of this year in 2024. We're not going to see it in the next cycle top, right? It's going to be way higher than $108,000. Like, that's nothing. You know what I mean? So that's that. But we will see, guys. Everyone has their own perspectives and predictions, right? Everyone's making their own predictions here and assumptions. But this is just my personal prediction. So maybe you guys can let me know in the comments down below. Where do you guys think Bitcoin is going to be heading in the next cycle top, right? What do you think the price is going to be for Bitcoin for the next cycle top for Bitcoin? Let me know. I'd love to know. But yes. This is the last chart that I would really want to show you guys, okay? Bitcoin simple strategy for mags, okay? Number 1, buy Bitcoin 500 days before halving. Number 2, hold and do nothing. Number 3, sell 500 days after halving. And number 4, repeat. And this is a very, very simple strategy because we know, guys, a bull run is coming. And then, of course, potentially 2026 to 2027, we're obviously going to be in a bear market, and that is when Bitcoin and crypto, right, other altcoins will pretty much drop. Okay, so I've been telling you guys many times, right? There's nothing wrong with taking profits. When you take profits, you're actually making money, obviously, and no one has gone broke taking profits, right? So if you want to take money off the table, go ahead and do it. But I told you guys, right? If you don't actually need that money, continue to hold. Okay, and I'm talking about Bitcoin here. Okay, all your other altcoins, you can go ahead and sell it if you want to, but Bitcoin, you should think long term with it, right? Also Ethereum, I feel like, right? I feel like Ethereum is here to stay forever, just like Bitcoin, right? So that's why, when I'm investing into crypto, guys, I really just stick with the basics, Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Are my main holdings, and my biggest holding is obviously Bitcoin, right? I have more Bitcoin than Ethereum, but yeah, it's really up to you guys, okay? If you, like I said, if you really need that money, go ahead and take some of it out, all right? But if you don't need that money, continue to hold your Bitcoins, and just ride through the wave and just keep it for long term, because understand Bitcoin is a long term asset that you should really keep. Okay, at least one Bitcoin as well, guys. Okay, if you're watching this video right now and you hold one full Bitcoin, honestly, I would not sell it. This is not financial advice, guys. Okay, but personally, I would not sell one Bitcoin, because you should really keep that full Bitcoin and just store it somewhere safe for long term for your future self. Because I've been telling you many times that one full Bitcoin will be worth a whole bunch of money in the future. It's going to be worth millions of dollars, not just 1 million, millions. So that's why, one Bitcoin will get you to places. It will make you really wealthy and obviously become a multi-millionaire, right? That's just personally my opinion, guys. Okay, and that's why I've been telling you guys many times to accumulate one full Bitcoin. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Okay, so prepare yourselves, Bitcoin holders, for what is coming for Bitcoin. Okay, because we know a beautiful bull run is coming, and I really want you guys to prepare yourselves. Okay, so for all the people out there watching this video right now, if you guys are in fact holding Bitcoin, prepare yourselves, okay, for what is coming for Bitcoin. Okay, because big moves are coming very soon. Understand that. I get it. Bitcoin right now is not really moving, but like I told you guys, this is the most important time right now to buy more, to accumulate more, when Bitcoin is not moving, right? So that's that. Prepare yourselves, guys, okay? But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, subscribe, and I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.